Hey everyone! The info I'm sharing comes directly from the technicians who work every day repairing appliances at this well-known shop. So relax, we're going to fix this. Recently, a Samsung dishwasher came into the shop showing the 9C2 error on the display. One of the technicians checked the drainage system and said, "This code means the machine is having trouble draining water." Basically, the dishwasher couldn't empty properly. The first step was to inspect the drain hose and filter. By adjusting the hose and cleaning the filter, the error disappeared instantly. A couple of days later, another dishwasher arrived showing 9C2 intermittently. The technician noticed that the drain pump was partially blocked. As he explained, sometimes just cleaning the pump and making sure it spins freely is enough to get the machine working again. You don't always have to replace parts. In this case, a simple maintenance job solved the problem without complications. In another situation, a dishwasher came in that still showed 9C2 even after cleaning the pump and checking the hose. The technician then inspected the control board and said, if all the mechanical parts are fine and the machine keeps showing 9C2, the electronic board is probably sending incorrect signals. Replacing it usually provides a permanent fix. This shows that, while it's not the most common cause, the electronics can be the culprit when everything else checks out. Later, a machine came in where the error appeared right at the start of the cycle, disappeared, and then returned during the next use. The technicians explained that usually indicates a loose connection or a level sensor sending weak signals. Securing the connections and checking the sensors generally fixes it. The key is always to follow the path of the water and the control signals until you find where the interruption occurs.